Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. For today's video, we're gonna unbox and review another hexagear governor, the Warmage Cerberus. I always thought it's Cerberus. Cerberus. What does it mean? Today's video is gonna be super awesome. If you like ASMR, I have something for you. If you like videos with just music, I've got something for you too. But if you're here because you just want to watch me talk about toys, please stay for the rest of the video. How about that, people? Did you see the special effect on reverse? It's like the movie Tenet. It's like I try to cut and then it's like I reverse back in time. And I found out that it was actually a very bad idea to try and tear apart the plastic wrapper, because I see a lot of people do that, with Gundams, right? No, man, for Hexa you just gotta use a pair of scissors or a hobby knife to just cut it, right? Next up, for those of you who like jazz, I wasn't gonna get it at first, but I cave in. I'm no longer a hobbyist. I guess I'm a collector now, I suppose. I need to get all these governors. It's a rabbit hole. It's poisonous. I hope you guys are satisfied with the first two parts of the video, and if you're not, don't worry, I'm here to save you. You can just hear me talk about toys. Now, this is a 1/24th scale plastic model kit by Kotobukiya, standing at 76mm tall, and it has 28 points of articulations, which means you can make a lot of cool poses. Now, this guy right here It comes with a couple of hands as usual. I'm not sure where are they. Must be somewhere in the house. And a gun. Pew pew. And this thing right here, it's a handle. I think you can actually fix up. Give me a second. Okay, so here we have the Governor Sentinel, and if you haven't watched my last episode, please go ahead and do so. So this is the shield. Let's take it out. Okay, cool. Bye, see ya. So I think you can just put it here. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. It's a mess. Okay, so you can put it here as a shield. Don't have to cover your hand. Lost your hand, like the Lannister. So yeah, we're just gonna compare this with the Warmage Hetzer. Hey brother. Okay, there's actually not much different. In terms of materials, I think that they are actually the same. They come, I think both of them are made from PS, or is it? Yeah, I think they do not really have any PVC materials anymore apart from the hands. I guess other than colors and weapons and the head, they're basically like the same thing, and they cost the same as well. It was released in late 2020 alongside with Warmage Hetzer, which you can watch. Where's the link here? There's a suggested video somewhere. The cool thing about hexagear is that it is highly customizable, only with frame arms, or what's the other one? MSG. So I guess yeah, if he needs more weapon, you can just sabotage this person's. The hands, man, they're so annoying. Over here, look at this. War guns for this guy. But yes, seriously, this is like his twin brother. Same but different. I guess that's all, guys. What do you think? Do you like this better? Hey, okay, you all need to vote. I need you guys to comment on the section. I need you guys to cast your vote. If you like the Warmage Hetzer, make sure you reply with a 1. And if you like the Warmage Cerberus, comment with a 2. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy my channel so far. Make sure you smash some buttons. Hit subscribe, like, or turn on the bell. Yeah.